A teen is now in police custody following the fatal stabbing of his stepfather in Four Paths, Clarendon yesterday. As you'll hear in this report from Anthony Lugg, concerns are again being raised about dispute resolution.
This is the yard in Four Paths, Clarendon, where the deadly incident unfolded Monday.
Last night when me here, man, feel like me I go dead, man. Cause me never know say something like this could have gone.
Reports are that sometime before 7 p.m., the two men, both armed with knives, had a physical altercation, both receiving injuries and taken to hospital. The deceased, 45-year-old Conroy Morgan, was stabbed to the neck. The boy received a stab wound on his hand. He has since been treated and taken into custody.
And the way I die, honestly, I am not pleased. Me no feel good. Me no feel good none at all. Because he gone too soon. Too soon. They talk about untimely death, this is one of them.
Everybody love the man. Why this boy kill the man? I the man to find food, you know. The man work and put food on table.
Residents were tight-lipped about the cause of the dispute. However, one family member revealed there's always been tension between the two.
There was no love between them. There was no love between them. Just like that.
You never love him?
I never love him. I never love him. And he never hide it. It's not something that hide that you can say, well, you don't know that he hate him. You know, say I never like him. He hate him.
The development comes on the heels of several violent incidents involving children. Councillor for the Yorktown Division, Ufel Purcell, is concerned.
I implore all the youngsters, be careful. Don't let ignorance take you over and feel that you're a bad man and you can't listen to person. It does not work for you. Because in the long run, you are destroying your own livelihood. You are destroying your life, your future.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.